Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Pay up or get disconnected. That's the warning from the National Water Commission to delinquent customers. It comes ahead of an extension discount program allowing customers to clear arrears. Andrew Ladley reports.
Under the extended discount program, customers who have outstanding balances as at May 31 will continue to benefit from the 30% discount on their outstanding balances if they decide to settle their debt. This initiative is for customers in the residential and condominium categories. Commercial customers will also benefit from a new discount arrangement at 25%. But as NWC Vice President for the Eastern Division Herman Fagan explains, these benefits won't last forever.
With the advent of COVID, what we basically did, we ceased disconnection. We also ceased charging customers for what we call a late payment. We have extended the cap facility for 3 months and are extending it by an additional month. So that has given customers in general an ample opportunity to make good and settling their liabilities. We are not going to have disconnection cease for the long haul. In fact, it is a program that we are basically going to restart.
He noted that the Water Commission is giving customers more time to get their accounts out of the red before the penalties resume.
On one hand, we are resuming disconnection. On the other hand, we are also extending the facility. So if you have a challenge in settling your arrears, you can still come into the office. But to answer your question straightforward, yes, we're going to have disconnection resume at the earliest.
Mr. Fagan noted that the discount extension will put a dent in the agency's financials, but he notes that it's a sacrifice worth making.
It is significantly going to impact our bottom line, but we have to look at it from a bigger perspective. The bigger perspective is that when we grant these discounts to our commercial customers, they impact. So it's kind of a multiplier effect. So they in fact employ people. So those people now have a better spending ability to pay their bills. So not with
Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.
The Jamaican dollar continued to depreciate today. At the end of trading, the US dollar was selling for a new high at $148.75. The Canadian dollar, $112.16. The pound is going for $194.19, while the euro sold for $176.55. The JSE index lost 4,032 points today, while the junior market index gained 15 points. Among the winners, 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, AMG Packaging and Paper, Community and Workers Cooperative Credit Union Deferred Shares, Derimon Trading and Jetcon Corporation. On the losing side were 1834 Investments, JMMB Group 7.5%, Cargo Handlers, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.